Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
Baba Ali, please clean up your room.
Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ali.
Waalaikumsalam.
Baba Ali, we heard your mom. She asked you to clean up your room.
He's playing right now.
But Baba Ali, your mom said to clean up your room.
What are you looking for, Baba Ali? Baba Ali, what are you looking for?
Are you missing a piece?
He's missing a piece.
Why don't you clean up like your mom said? Maybe you can find the piece that you're missing. MashaAllah, you're a good listener, Baba Ali.
He's all done. MashaAllah.
Oh, look, Baba Ali, you left some under your bed.
Yeah, I can see it. Look, it's under your bed. Look, it's under your bed. We can see it, Baba Ali. It's better to clean it up.
Yeah, and your mom will be very happy if you clean up your room very well.
Hooray for Baba Ali. MashaAllah, you are such a good listener. Oh, look, he found something.
What do you have there, Baba Ali?
Please, can you please show us?
MashaAllah, is that a drawing of your mom and dad?
Wow, you drew a very nice picture of your mom and dad, MashaAllah.
Oh, you love your parents very much. That is wonderful, MashaAllah.
Yay! MashaAllah.
Allah told us to listen to your parents all the time. Why don't you go and tell your mom you're finished cleaning your room?
Hooray for Baba Ali.
Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ali.
Waalaikumsalam.
See you next time.
If Baba Ali can do it, so can you. Why be afraid of trying something new? We need someone we trust standing near, someone we know to give a rousing cheer. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
What do I say? What